Kabocha squash may look like an ordinary pumpkin, but it's not. It's enamored all over Asia, not only because it's delicious, but it also has these amazing health benefits. Like any other orange vegetable, kabocha squash is high in carotene, which translates into vitamin A. Vitamin A does wonders for your immune system, reproductive organs, heart, lungs, and kidneys. Most importantly, it's packed with potassium, which is great for lowering blood pressure. Kabocha is a great example of something we see on our everyday tables. But if you look at its history, it's unassuming cultural bridge. This pumpkin can be found in Japan, South Korea, Thailand, California, Florida, Hawaii, southwestern Colorado, Mexico, Tasmania, Tonga, New Zealand, Chile, Jamaica, and South Africa. But more importantly, how do we cook it? My favorite method is also the most straightforward. It's to make Canh or Vietnamese kabocha soup, and it's absolutely comforting, especially during the winter months. It's a one-pot recipe that is great to have with a small portion of rice, and gets continuously better the longer you cook it. My recommendation is it's best served on the second day. There you have it, my favorite kabocha recipe as taught by my mother, Canh. Do you have a favorite Asian vegetable you want me to cook? Mention that in the comments below. This episode was made in partnership with CCHP. CCHP delivers high-quality, affordable healthcare through culturally competent and linguistically appropriate services to the community since 1986. More information about CCHP in the description link below, along with the recipe. All right, everyone, that's it for today's episode for Cooking with Chef 2. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, but most importantly, make sure you hit the bell so you get a notification every time a new episode airs. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time on Cooking with Chef 2. Peace out.